Hi there, welcome to Watch Whisperer. My name is Alan. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I am very sorry that I've not been here, but I have been moving house. What we've got here today is a nice Waltham pocket watch, which is made in 1905, and it's a gold plated, I think it is, or gold rolled. It was made of 1,000 made. Okay, so it does work, as you can see, but it needs a good service, so I'm going to get a new service on it. If you could please subscribe, if you could please like as well, do any comments as well. I will be so much grateful. I'm trying to reach at least 1,000 subscribers. That's what I'm trying to do. Okay, so here goes. I'm going to focus. Right, first of all, I'm going to take off the bezel here, this bit there, that bit there. That's the plan. There you go. As you can see, it's got a few. It is worn, but it's still there. Look, it's got a few scratches on it as well. Look, can you see? There. All right. Now, what I'm going to show you is the inside of it, because it's absolutely gorgeous. Get my finger. That is the inside of it. Okay. So now I can take it out. There you go. I can. There you go. There is a case. It does say Star. If I can just see it there. There you go. There's a serial number for the case. Again, there you go. There is a serial number for the case. Okay, it has scratched a bit, but there you go. It has got a lot of finger marks, and it's got some indentations there of the watchmakers that's been doing it years ago. Okay, so that's the case. Now here we have the front and the back in. There you go. See, there's a few hairs there. I told you it just wants cleaning as well. So what we'll do now is take away the hands. There you go. Turn it round so I can do the small one, hopefully. There you go. Take away the cover. What I'm going to do now is put this in there. So now you can see it's there. There's the hands. And there is the nice Waltham pocket watch. There you go. It still moves, look, just like that. But it wants a good service. There's a serial number for it. There's a serial number 1430175. It was made in 1905 of a run quantity of 1,000, and its grade model is 69 of 123. So there you go, a bit of history to it. And it was grade number 115. So let's get cracking, shall we? The reason why I haven't got any finger cuts on today is because I will be cleaning it, and once I've cleaned it, I'm going to put my finger cuts on. Okay? So what I'm going to do now is take away the dial feet. If you can see there, I don't know if you can see, there was a little hair there, and I don't know how that's got in it, but it's got in it. So, but we'll soon get away. There's one. I'll take away this one as well. Okay. No, it's not going to come out. But there was another dial feet there as well. I'm hoping this one will come out better than the other one. There you go. There's the dial feet there. Now I've just got to get the dial out. Okay. I think what I need is an automatic focus. What do you call it? Is an automatic camera. So that's got to come off there like that. But it's not coming out. There you go. I've got the dial off, as you can see. You can see it. There you go. Underneath it, there is the dial feed there. Swiss made dial. There you go. There is the movement. So now I'm going to take off the dial washer. There you go, the dial washer. Put them there. I've got to admit though, it is really nice to do another video, even though it's took me so long. I really do apologise for that. There's the minute hour wheel there. I think that's what you call it. There is the cannon pinion there. So I've got to take that off with my trusty cannon pinion remover. Just there. Look. There you go. So there is the cannon pinion there. Just there. Now what I'm going to do is going to undo it. There is a serial number there, look for it. What I'm going to do now is put it on my trusty watch holder. And I just want to say a big thank you to JD Richards in Canada, who he's got two or three of these holders. I just want to say thank you to him because he's the one that said there was on the internet. They did cost a fortune, but it was well worth it. Now what I'm going to do is take away the balance spring now. Well, that's the plan anyway. There's my white screwdriver. There is the screw for it. How's that? In focus. Okay. That is for the balance. Now what I've got to do is take it off now. Very, very gently. There you go. There you go. How's that? There's a serial number underneath it. There it is. I don't think there's any spring left in here. Any torque in it. So here goes. If there is, I do apologise. What I'm going to do now is take away the balance bridge. Okay. Here goes. I think there could be some left, but I'm not sure. We'll soon find out. There's one screw. Let me get my trusty stick, the black one, the Bergeon. This is a Bergeon number 7010. I did have a red one, but I found this one's a bit better. What I've got to do, I've got to try and get the clear one because that's a lot better. There's a second screw for it. Now I've got to take, there's the barrel, there's the bridge off it, which looks in decent order. Now I'm going to take away, there it did have some life in it, so I do apologise. It was my own fault. It's because I forgot to do it, and it's been a long time since I've done a video. As you can see, there you go. It's not too bad at all though. There you go. Beautiful job. And it's still going. There you go. Still going. I'll let it run for a bit. If you can please like and subscribe. I do want to try and get to 1,000 subscribers if I can. I mean, I've been doing it a year, and when I first started last year, I didn't have any knowledge of watches at all. And it's only what I've done with the course of the watch repair. I did is it Lovick? He did the course, so I did that course off him, and I passed it, and I've got the certificates. And before that, I didn't have any knowledge. I mean, I'm a disabled person, and I just thought I'd go with it. Really, I can't drive anymore. I can't do any fishing. I can't do much. I can't do gardening. So I thought this will do me nicely. Aye. So it's still going though. Look, still going. You can see how it's still a bit sticky there. Can you see it? It's still sticky there. So that means it needs a good service. and some oil on it. Once it's done, it's going to be a nice little pocket watch. That really nice. I hope everybody's been keeping okay, by the way. You know, in my absence, I've got 102 subscribers now, which is a really, it's amazing to get these subscribers. I'm really loving it. I am. Considering I've never done a YouTube channel before in my life, and I thought I'd do it, but it's quite interesting to do, I think. I mean, I keep looking at YouTube videos from abroad and from Canada and England, and they're doing a marvellous job. To be fair, I'm hoping I can get as much as what they do, but I want to get as many subscribers as I can. I want to grow the channel as it comes. See, now it's running a bit thingy now. There you go. Okay, it's running a bit slower now, so it's nearly finished. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I want to take away the crown wheel. I think that's the crown wheel there, I think it is. If you can please do the comments below if I'm wrong. There you go. There's a screw for it. You can see it. There's a screw for it. As you can see, it's only a small. What do you call it? To be fair, it's only a small pocket watch. There you go. Bounced off me there. Bounced off. There you go. It's got some scratches there, but it's not too bad. Right. There's a little click spring there. Okay. And I'm sure, if I'm mistaken, this could be is it anti-clockwise screw? We'll soon find out. What way? Oops, excuse me. Okay. Let me just tighten this up then. I'm doing then. I don't want it collapsing down on me or flying away. No, it is a anti-clockwise screw head, which is okay. There you go. There's a screw for it. And I think there's one there and there's one there, so there you go. I think, there you go, there's two there, look. There's that one there. That fits on there like that because of the screw. And then there's that one for the, I think that's the ratchet wheel, I think. Here is the barrel bridge. Look at the pale arch on it. There's some pale arch there, engraving there. Look. Look at the grease on there. Look. I didn't notice that before. Let's have a look. What? Again, focus. How's that? How's that? It's got some grease there. Look. See it? There. Some grease there. Look. But we'll get it cleaned up. Don't worry about that. We will get it cleaned up. Let's take these screws out as well. These screws are to hold the what do you call it inside the case. If I can get them out. There you go. It's just started clicking, so it should come out. There you go. Look at the size of the screw there, look. As the bishop said to the actress. There's one. That is for the case screw. And there's another one over here. Like that, just here, look. So what I'm going to do, take these out. I'm hoping I can do the video like this, but I'm hoping to do it all in one, you see. But I might need some help. And there's the other screw for the case. Now I'm going to take away the barrel bridge, okay? There's one. You can hear it clicking. That means it's come out. There's one. I'll do this side here. There you go. There's your other screw. There. And I'll do this middle one now then. Like that. There you go. There's your other screw. And I think now the barrel bridge can come off now. I told you it was stick it into. I told you. As you can see. There you go. Underneath. It's not worn. It's just a good clean, that's all. Really good clean. And there is the middle. And see, I told you needed a good clean lot. It's all it wants. Okay. Now, I'm going to try and take the... oops, a daisy. There's the arbor for the barrel. It's just come out on me, look. So it really does need a good service, this. There you go, it's just come out on me there. Oh my dear Lord. Look at the state of that oil there, look. That's disgusting. Oh my dear, that don't have a good service. Look at the state of that. Oh well. That's one thing I'm going to give a good clean. Look at the state of that, look. Ugh. Oh, really bad that is. Really gone off oil, that is. Oh well, I'm here to do it. Plus I'm learning as well. I mean, if I do anything wrong, I know down below you'll do some comments, which I hope you do, because when I get comments, I do learn, you see. There's one. There's one screw for the for this bridge here, for the training wheels bridge. There you go. There's your other screw. There you go. Screw that. I hope you can see this okay. I really do, because it's the first video I've done in a long time. As you can see, it is a bit scruffy. Yeah, so there's no sign of wear and tear on there, it's just gunged up oil. There's the escapement wheel, which is lovely. It just needs a good clean and a service, that's all it needs. I just can't believe that these watches from 1905 made them so small. Can you? Look at the gunk on that bit there, look. The gunk on there, look. Oh my dear, look. See it? Just there, look. And that one's stuck in, that one. Oh, it's stuck in. What's wrong with that one, then? Yeah. I don't know what's happened there, but can you see it alright? There you go. I'll undo it. It's really stuck. Ah, there you go. Because it was bent, look. Oh, it's bent. That's why. Right. So what I'm going to try and do is, I'm going to try and manipulate that if I can. I'll do my best anyway. Well, this is my watch anyway. I'm not doing anything with it. I'm not going to get rid of it. It's my watch, to be fair. Now, I'm going to go underneath it like this. Okay. And then I want to take away this one here. There you go. There you go. There's one screw. I think this is the thingy cog, this one. Intermediate one. So I've heard and what I've read, I think. There you go. It's absolutely filthy. Yeah. I've never known not like it. Oh, see, it's still stuck on me. And then there's this one here. How's that? Look, it's filthy. Can't believe it. Now I've got to try and take this out now. So what I'll do is turn it inside, turn it upside down. Put it in there now. And then there you go. Sorry about the camera work. I'm doing my best. There you go. There's one bit there. There's the other bit there. There you go. What it needs now is a nice good clean. Okay. There you go. There's the other bit there. I just want to say thank you ever so much for subscribing, and really thank you for watching my channel. Okay.